Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, may I know your name and where do you stay?
My name is Garima and I stay in Mangalore.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is about 4.5 years.
Okay. What were you looking for him?
I was looking for a curriculum that teaches correct English and that helps the child gain fluency in the language, and also to aid the child step into reading faster and in the correct way, in a pictorial fashion, where the child first starts recognizing the words and then starts forming patterns and learns through the sounds of the letters. So basically talking fluent English, correct English, and to start reading faster.
Okay. So what other options did you consider?
I did not consider a lot of options. I learnt about this from the English tree curriculum, and when I was explained about the methodology of teaching and the way English is being taught, I was quite sure that the basic the way English is being taught here will help make the foundation stronger, and that is why I am sending my child to English Tree, and I think this has amazing results. I also got a review. I also got a feedback from my daughter's school class teacher, and they said that there is a huge improvement. There is a great improvement in her fluency and the confidence with which she talks in English these days.
Okay, so how has your experience been with English Tree?
My experience has been very good because the curriculum, the environment is very flexible. Kids actually learn while they are playing, and there's a lot of usage of multimedia, like the songs, the rhymes, and the poems, and a lot of usage of flashcards and pictures. And I think that is very important that's a very good way of teaching a language.
So what are the two things that you really like about the English Tree?
One is the flexibility, the learn while you play kind of concept. The second thing is teaching the language in a pictorial fashion.
Okay. So do you think there is anything that could be better with it?
Is there anything to be?
That could be better with it.
Currently I am quite satisfied with this, and I don't have any improvement suggestions as of now. So I'm quite happy currently.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely you recommend Mango Tree to other parents?
I would like to rate English Tree 5 on 5.
Okay.
Because the improvement has been quite phenomenal.
Thank you very much, ma'am.